I have a new little friend, a baby bird that's fallen out of the nest. Oh, I'm in the shadow. I'm putting it in the shadow. There he is. And they're feeding him. Can you feed him, Kyra?
Yeah, hold on.
Just jiggle him and he'll think his mama's there again.
Nancy, I got 2.
Okay, just a minute.
Oops.
Is she going to sleep?
Nope. Kyra, I just got 2 worms in my mouth.
In your mouth?
In my hands.
Watch your leg, Cal. Thank you. Oh, there he goes. Okay, if you'll open it up.
That worm. Kyra, these things are slipping on my hands. I'm so tired. Ugh. What?
Is that a worm?
No. I just have 2 worms in my hands. See, I got 2 worms in.
Okay, get ready. There you go. See if it'll go at your finger.
I think he's.
Maybe it's full.
I'm gonna give him 1. Wait.
Did you get him in there?
Yep.
Put your finger in, see if he goes after your finger. Try that. Oh, he's messing with the worm.
There you go, little buddy. Open up. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get open the worm. There you go. Here, get him up. Get him.
Oh, he thinks he's eating your finger. Try once more.
He choked.
Uh-oh. Just be careful. He'll go after her finger all the time. Okay. Yes, where are you, Mama?
Come here. Open up. Come on, open up, open up, open up.
Probably tired baby.
Here, I'm trying to get him. Help you. Come on, get open. Get open. Yeah.
No, he's not hungry anymore, I don't think.
Cool. See, Nancy, he's on my finger. Oh, his tongue's so nice.